Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change volume using the touchpad on your Sony WH-1000XM5. So in order to do this, you'll need to put the headphones in the right order, so the right one is on your right ear. And then in order to change volume, you'll need to perform this gesture on the headphone. And that way you'll change the volume of any song or anything that you're listening to. So right now I'm gonna play some music and try lowering the volume. So right now I just muted the entire music, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.